Now we discuss about this preparation of the cotton plugs. Myself, Professor Kamthani DC from the Department of Microbiology, Sri Gurupati Swami College, Purna. These cotton plugs, these are having the cotton fibers, and these fibers cause the trapping of the microorganisms and the dust particles carrying the microorganisms in the air, and this filtered air is provided to the microorganisms present in the flasks, tubes, and in this way this contamination is prevented. There are various requirements required for the cotton plug preparation. First one, non-absorbent cotton rolls. Next, culture tubes, flasks, tubes and scissors. Now we discuss about this procedure. Procure a non-absorbent cotton roll and remove its packing. Open the roll as per the requirement, that is number, size and types. Cut a small piece of cotton sheet with the help of the scissors, and based on the requirements, the following are the types of cotton plug preparation methods. Number 1, cut, fold and roll plug. In this, cut a small piece of this cotton sheet from the cotton roll with the help of the scissor and fold this cotton sheet at the center, and this folded cotton sheet looks as like this, and start this rolling of this folded cotton sheet, and the rolling is started from one end and this is continued up to the another end likewise, and finally this cotton plug is prepared looking as this, and this cotton plug is inserted in the flask or the tube. This folded portion is inserted inside the flask or the tube, and the other end of this plug, which is unfolded, this is having the cotton fibers and these are coming in the air. One thing again we have to discuss, that is, if the cotton plug is tight, then open the plug and remove some cotton from one side and readjust as earlier. Then we discuss the next method of this cotton plug, that is cut, roll and fold plug. In this, again we have to take a cotton sheet, and this cotton sheet is cut from this cotton roll with the help of the scissor, and start rolling of this cotton sheet from one end and continue the rolling up to the next end, and this rolled cotton plug look like this, and fold from the center this cotton plug, and this folded portion insert inside the flask or the tube. This folded portion inserted inside the flask, and the other portion which is unfolded, this is having the cotton fibers. This emerge inside in the air. In this way, there are the two types of this cotton plugs preparation methods. Number 1, cut, fold and roll method, and next one, cut, roll and fold plug method. Thanks for your listening.